Ahlan. In this video we will go over the Arabic alphabet and its correct pronunciation. What I will do is I will read each letter 3 times and you can copy with me. So number 1, Alif, 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 Ba, 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 Ta, 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 Tha, 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 Jim, Jim, Jim. For this letter you need to understand it's not Geem and it's not Jim, it's Jim. Ha, Ha, Ha. This letter comes from around here. It comes from the throat. This letter is often difficult for English speakers because this letter is not in English. All human beings have the same vocal glands. We can all pronounce the same letters. It's just a case of training yourself to do it. One easy way to know how to pronounce the letter Ha is to pretend you've got sunglasses and you're blowing on them to clean them, like ha, and then you're cleaning it. The next is Kha, Kha, Kha. This too is a guttural throat sound. Dal, 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 Dhal, Dhal, Dhal. With this letter, please remember it is Dhal, not Zal. It is a the sound like this and that in English, TH. Ra, 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 Zay, Zay, Zay. This is a Z sound. Some people read it as Za, some people read it as Zay. It doesn't matter, the sound is still the same. Seen, 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 Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. Sod, Sod, Sod. This sound is also quite hard for English speakers. It's a very full mouth sound. It has the quality of being full mouthed. So that means when you pronounce it, the back of your tongue should go up. Sod. It's like an actual sword, however it's full mouth, so it's sod. And next we come to bod, bod, bod. Bod is a unique letter. In fact, the Arabic language is often known as Lughatul Bod, the language of bod, because it is the only language that really features this letter in its truest form. But essentially, when you pronounce it, the side of your tongue should be hitting your molars. So bod, not vo or dad or dwad, but bod. In some people, when they're pronouncing it properly, you may see a bubble form because the air is literally getting trapped. The next is bo, bo, bo. This is similar to the ta, however, once again, this is full mouthed and it has the quality of itbaq. So itbaq is literally the compression of the sound between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. Bo, or so bo. Then we have vo, vo, vo. Once again, with this, it is not za or zwo, it is vo. You may notice that my tongue came out of my mouth just a little bit. If you do it that way, it's often easier to pronounce it. Ain is the next one. Ain, Ain, Ain. Once again, the letter Ain also comes from the throat and it's often quite hard for English speakers to learn it. One easy way to practice it is to say the letter A, but to just softly and gently, just to gently place your finger on your throat and say the A sound, like A, which is a A, but now A, 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 A. As you can hear, it is talking like this because this is the A sound. A, 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 A. Next is Ghoin, Ghoin, Gh, ghain. It's a sound. Imagine you're doing wudu or gargling water. It is the ghain sound. Then we have fa, 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 qaf, qaf, qaf. Many people will put too much emphasis when reading this letter, like qaf. You don't have to be like that. It's simply just a qaf. It's like a Q sound, but coming right from the back of the mouth. It is full mouthed. Qaf. It can take some practice if you're not familiar with it. Then we have kaf, kaf, kaf. Don't get confused between the qaf and the kaf. The letter kaf is just like the letter K, and the letter qaf is more like a full mouthed Q sound. Then we have lam, 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 mim, 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 noon, 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 ha, ha. This sound comes from your throat, but the lowest part. Ha, wow, wow, wow. And last but not least, yeah, yeah. And there we have it. That's the correct pronunciation of the Arabic letters. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. But I'll see you on the other side anyway. Ma'as salama. Take care.